Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Hannah Dennis, and the northern lights are possible again tonight. They won't be as vibrant, but we could still be able to see them. And we do have a nice Mother's Day weekend. However, there are more rain chances ahead, and unfortunately, it looks like it could be happening on Mother's Day. Now, here's a picture of the northern lights that we're seeing out in Agency, Iowa. This is a picture from Terry. It was really cool. You could see the northern lights that were just right above our heads, and in fact, the northern lights were able to be seen all the way down in Miami yesterday. We just had a very active night with the northern lights, and you can see we have that possibility of seeing them again. Now, we will only be able to see them on the horizon this time. It's not going to be right overhead, but it is still possible to see those northern lights again if you missed out last night. Now, as far as the rain chances go, you can see Sunday by 3 p.m., that's when some showers start to pop up more in southern Iowa. As we go more into the afternoon and evening hours, they start to develop a little bit more. But really, whenever we go into the nighttime hours and going into Monday, that's when we get to see a little bit more of a widespread rain, but it's mostly staying south for the most part. You can see that by the time we get into the early hours of Monday and by 7 to 8 a.m. Monday, you can see a lot of us are going to be seeing some rain. Now, there could be some rumbles of thunder within all of this, but it's not going to be anything severe. It's just going to be a little bit of rain, a little bit of thunder, and that's about it. But it's not going to be an all-day thing. By the time we get into the early afternoon to evening, it starts to clear out, and it's going to stay into eastern Iowa going into Tuesday. Now, as far as how much rain we're going to be seeing, it's not going to be too much, but we could see 1 inch to maybe 2 inches in some places along southern Iowa. But you can see how this rain wants to stay more to the south instead of going up towards the north. That's where you see those lower totals of less than 1/4 inch or even just nothing up there. But tonight it's going to be nice and clear for the most part. We'll have those passing clouds, so it's still going to be a good night to go out and see those northern lights because we're only going to get down to 54 degrees, so it's going to be not a chilly night either. And as far as tomorrow, it's going to be a warm one. We're looking at 85 degrees for the high. It will be a little bit on the breezy side, but those winds won't be too bad. Now, we do have a chance to see some storms pop up in the afternoon, and as we go more into the evening hours, that's when the chances get a little bit higher. Now, as for the rest of the 10-day, you can see that those showers stay with us on Monday, but then we drop back down into the 70s, which isn't cool, but looking at this going from 85 to 70, it's definitely going to be something that you'll feel. And then as for the rest of the week, we do have a few more of rain chances, but nothing is going to be severe. It looks like we are going to have a small break from the severe weather. Next weekend looks like it's going to be a nice one. We'll have some little rain chance, but for the most part, it looks like it's going to be a fairly nice week.